Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and you guys already know what's the video about, and you must have already seen the title of the video. So without wasting time, we'll go into the video. Okay guys, so it's for girls. So for bikini hair removal, tips for bikini hair removal. So I'll share my experience first and then just give the tips. Okay, so when first time I was doing it, it was really very hectic. Like it's really like I was feeling very scared, and I asked my mom that how to remove hair, and she advised that you can remove with whatever you're comfortable. Like obviously there are four options. One is epilators, second one is shaving, third one is wheat, and fourth one is waxing. So for me, like what I did first, I tried for waxing because I didn't wanted hair to come soon since was doing first time. So guys, suggestion, if you are really doing for the first time, don't do waxing, because it's obviously that you must be having a lot of hair at your bikini area. And second thing is that since you have a lot of hair, it will pain a lot. And trust me, don't go for waxing if you are doing for first time, but later on, yes, you can go for waxing. And second thing is epilators. Obviously same reason, you have more amount of hair on your bikini area, so you can't go for epilators. It will pain a lot, means a lot. Like I didn't even thought of that, and I didn't took that in an option also, because I knew even if I do on my hands and legs and I have more hair growth, so no, epilators are really bad. And yes, waxing for me, for hands and legs, I use shaving. So waxing don't suit me. I get spots and I get boils on my hands and legs, so I don't use waxing. Epilators, it pains a lot, so it's like I will never use epilators in life. And next thing is that shaving. Yes, obviously first two options are cancelled. If you are doing for first time, you can go for shaving. Yes, it's a good option, but what you have to do is just first cut all the extra hair with scissors. So once you cut your hair with scissor at your bikini area, then your hair will tend to become small. Yes, after your hair is small, now you'll ask me, now I can do waxing or epilators. I would suggest no. For first time, don't go for waxing or epilators. Trust me, no. It's a big no. It will pain a lot. But for shaving, yes, you can go using that foam which comes of Gillette. I'll put the picture over here. It's nice. You can use that foam and just shave it if you know shaving, and if you use shaving for your hands and legs and use that Gillette ka shaving kit which you get. And if you want to see complete video of me shaving hands and legs and tutorial, you can let me know in the comment section, or you can just surf on videos, surf on YouTube. You'll get a lot of videos related to that. So first, if you are doing, tip number one, if you are doing on your hands and legs, then only go for bikini area. Don't first time go for bikini area for shaving. You may get cuts. Yes, by shaving you will never get cuts since you don't know how it works. So first you do for hands and legs. It is very easy, and once you are used to it, then go for bikini area. Okay, now for wheat. Yes, wheat is really easy. I would suggest for first time go for wheat. You won't believe what I did. I did waxing. It was worst experience. Like half of the hair were removed and it pained a lot, and then I just said no, I don't want to do. And then after that I thought of doing shaving, but no, it wasn't that easy for me as it was in hands and legs. So for first time I went for wheat, like wheat hair removal cream or any of the hair removal cream. You can use that and it works great. And once your bikini area is clean for one time, then for next time, before getting more growth, you can start using your shaving kit. And yes, ahead you can go as per your choice, but this is how the flow goes. For me, I have experienced this, and as for a teenage girl, I can share this things with all the girls around me, because yes, it's a difficult thing to ask. Like, obviously many of the girls are not as frank as me with my mom. If you are frank, yes, it's superb, just go and ask your mom, she will advise you best. But then also there are a lot of questions and lot of confusions, because I am frank with my mom, then also I had a lot of confusions and a lot of questions. So I experienced it, and I'm sharing really good tips with you guys. I hope you like my video and it was useful. And girls, keep a habit of removing hair from your bikini area, because it gives you good hygiene, and it's really good for your skin. Like, yes. And yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Please give a big thumbs up, and to see such more useful videos on my channel, do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And guys, please hit like, it motivates me, and it was useful, then please hit like. And if you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll share with you guys. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.